Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Gorilla Tag Locomotion to your Gorilla Tag Fangame. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go up here to Edit, you want to go to Project Settings, you want to go down to XR Plugin Management, and it should say Install or Download or something like that. You just want to click that. Now, once it's done installing, you want to go to this monitor right here and you want to click Open XR. And it will install all the OpenXR packages really quickly. And once it's done that, it should pop up with this right here. It says, do you want to enable the backends? Doing so will restart the editor. You want to click yes. And this will restart your Unity, but that's what's supposed to happen. So it's okay. You would just want to click save and it will close it. Quickly open it back up. And it shouldn't take too long to get back. Okay, once your Unity is back open, it should automatically pop up in the edit section. And it should pop up with these two errors right here. Don't mind them; those will get fixed later. But now what you want to do is you want to go back to XR Plugin Management. You want to go to this Android over here, and you want to click Oculus. And once again, it will install the packages that come with Oculus. So you just let those install. And once they're installed, what you want to do, you want to come down here to Oculus. You want to set the multi-view right here to multi-pass. You want to set the low overhead mode. You want to turn that on. And then go over to the monitor right here, still on Oculus, but just on the monitor, and set the single pass instance to multi-pass. And now you want to go down to OpenXR, once again on the pass instance to multi-pass. And then where it says interaction profiles, you want to click the plus, and you want to add like whichever VR devices you want to be able to play the game on for your controller. So I want to be able to play the game on Oculus, the MetaQuest Pro, the Valve Index, the HTC Vive, and you can also add hand interaction, which I'm just going to add hand interaction because it's pretty cool. And once you've done that, you want to go over to this Android over here, and you want to set the render mode to multi-pass again. Okay, now, once that's done, you want to close this tab, and you want to go over to Window. You want to go down to Package Manager. We're just going to full screen this. And then where it says packages and project, you want to set that to Unity registry. And you want to click this plus over here. And you want to click add package from Git URL. You want to type com.unity.xr.interaction.toolkit. And once you've done that, it'll just install the package. And once it has installed the package, and you could go in it and it should say samples right here. You want to click the arrow on samples, and then you want to, where it says starter assets, you want to click import. And this will import all of the starter assets that make the XR interaction toolkit possible. Now, this part is not part of the tutorial on how to add locomotion, but what I recommend doing, I recommend going to Packages and Project, switching it to Unity Registry, go to the search bar here and type in Pro, and where it says Pro Builder, you want to click that and click Install. This is basically like this is a requirement when you're making a Gorilla Tag game. It makes it so much easier to build your game, and it's really easy to use as well. So once you've done that, it'll just import all of this into your Unity project. Once it has done that, you can just close the package manager. Now what you want to do, you want to go to your assets. You want to go to samples, XR interaction 2.5.2, starter assets, and then you want to go to prefabs, I think. Presets. Yep, you want to go to presets, and you want to select one of these. Hold shift and select the last one, and it'll select all of them. Oh wait, never mind. Hold on. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do this for each individual one. You have to go over to here, you have to click one, go over to here and click add to action based. You have to do that for all of them really quickly. So I'll just do it to all of them. Sorry if my microphone's bad, by the way. This is a new laptop, so I'm still working on getting my microphone good. But once you have done that for each of these presets, you want to go over to edit and you want to go to project settings. You want to go over here to preset manager, and where it says default right action base, wait, yep, right action based controller, you want to go right here and type in right, and then the same for the left one, but type in left, lowercase right, lowercase left, and then you're all good. So now that that's done, you want to go to your assets, and you want to right click, import new asset, and you want to put in, oh wait, never mind. You want to right click, import package, custom package, and you want to import that package or the Gorilla Locomotion that you downloaded earlier. Just click import, and it will import everything necessary for the Gorilla Tag Locomotion. Okay, now once you've done that, there should be a resources folder that pops up. You want to go in there, Gorilla Prefab, and it should say Gorilla Rig. So now what you want to do, you want to drag this Gorilla Rig into your hierarchy like this. And you have officially dragged the Gorilla Rig into your project. But we're not done yet. Click on your Gorilla Rig, right click, go to prefab, and then go to unpack completely. This will make it where it's more accessible to like grab things and move them in your Gorilla Rig. It'll make it a lot easier. And once you've done that, go click on your Gorilla Rig, and where it says XR Rig script, it should say deprecated. Sorry, it should say XR Rig deprecated. You want to right click on it and you want to click remove component. Now what you want to do is you want to click add component and type in XR origin and click this. Now where it says camera floor offset, you want to open your Gorilla Rig and drag Gorilla Player to camera floor offset. And where it says camera, you want to open your Gorilla Player and drag main camera into here. Where it says tracking origin mode, you want to set that to floor. What this does is it basically fixes any movement problems you have with your locomotion. So this makes it where you'll never encounter any movement problems. And yeah, that's how you import Gorilla Tag Locomotion into your Gorilla Tag Fangame. So now what you can do, you can go up here to Tools, Pro Builder, and then Pro Builder window. This is if you installed Pro Builder like earlier in the tutorial. Then drag this Pro Builder window right here next to the inspector. Click on New Shape, and then go to this button right here. This is the plane button where you can add a plane. And now you can just go ahead and make a small plane for your player. And then drag it underneath your player. Sorry, I'm on a laptop right now, so it's hard. Drag it underneath your player, like so, just like this. And now what you can do, you can go ahead and flick, and it'll play your scene. Oh wait, oh, unclick that really quick. Not in your Gorilla Player, not the main camera in your Gorilla Player, but the main camera in your scene, not in your Gorilla Rig, but in your hierarchy. Delete that, because you don't want that being the main camera that pops up when you play the game. So just go ahead and right click and click delete. And now you can go ahead and click play. And as you can see, if you go to your scene right here, and then you can also turn off gizmos in the top right. It makes all these icons go away. If you go to your Gorilla Rig and you get your left hand, you can hit it off the floor, and as you can see, Gorilla Tag Locomotion works. It works phenomenally. So now you can do whatever you want with your game. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Please make sure to like if it helped you. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye!